Maximum flight altitude. Max flight altitude in open category is exactly the same for each subcategory, and it's 120 meters from a ground. That means you can't fly above 120 meters. Over 120 meters is like a no-fly zone. But as you can see here, when you're flying uphill, you can still fly 120 meters from that hill. That means your max flight altitude is stay 120 meters from a ground and is changing together with the ground with a 120 meters from a ground. And you can't fly above any artificial objects like this wind turbine above the 120 meters limit. That doesn't change the same as with the ground. That will stay with the 120 limits. But if you're required to fly over that object, for example that wind turbine, in some specific circumstance, you may be allowed. For example, if you have any contract with the owner of the object to carry on some inspection and he give you permission to fly, you are allowed to do it. The exemption is the C0 drones. They have hard limit of 120 meters and there's no any way you can fly above. Even if you are flying in some specific category, then still 120 meters for C0 drone is a hard limit. And when you carry that flight, you have to keep horizontal distance of 50 meters. And when you're flying above the object, you have to keep 15 meters distance from above the object. And that's the regulation for max flight altitude in open category. You can't fly above 120 meters limit. Above the 120 meters is a no-fly zone. And remember, please always check in the regulation before you fly because regulation could change. And please always check National Aviation Authority website from the country you are visiting for the actual rules at the moment. And if you'd like to check other drone regulation or detailed explanation of each subcategories, browse my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.